क्लास 6 लेसन नंबर फर्स्ट। हाउ ज्योग्राफी इन्फ्लुएंस हिस्ट्री। ज्योग्राफी का मतलब होता है हमारा क्षेत्र कैसा है, किस टाइप के लोग किस किस वातावरण में रहते हैं। द फिजिकल फीचर ऑफ ए रीजन कैन ग्रेटली शेप द लिव ऑफ पीपल। दे कैन अफेक्ट द फूड पीपल ईट, द काइंड ऑफ हाउस दे बिल्ड, दे ट्रेड वेरी कैरी ऑन एंड दे वे दे डिफेंड देयर टेरिटरी। Factors such as type of land, soil, availability of water and climate condition affect human lives, livelihood and habitation। प्रत्येक क्षेत्र जैसे राजस्थान, हरियाणा, पंजाब, दिल्ली, प्रत्येक क्षेत्र का जो रीजन है वो अलग अलग है किस टाइप का। जैसे केरल है, वहाँ पे लोग किस प्रकार रहते हैं, किस प्रकार के मकान बनाते हैं, वहाँ का वातावरण कैसा है, इन चीज़ों के बारे में दिया गया। अर्ली सेटल्स इन इंडिया। द रीजन along the bank of the Narmada river was one of the earliest inhabited land in India. The earliest inhabitants of this area were skilled gathered and hunter who had detailed knowledge about the forest and the plant that grew around them. The first people of grow crops inhabit region in the Suleiman and Kirthar hills in northwestern India. They grow crops like wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago. They also reared animals like sheep, goat and cattle. Likewise, the Gore Hills saw agriculture being practiced widely. The west region along the river Indus and its tributaries saw the rise of the first cities in the Indian subcontinent, while large cities flourished in the Ganga Valley about 2,500 years ago. In general, people prefer living in favorable environment. In India, women first settled on the bank of the three big rivers, the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Powerful kingdoms like the Mauryas, the Guptas and the Mughal flourished in the Indo-Gangetic plains because of the following reason: fertile land, good climate, plentiful water, easy transport through rivers. The Himalaya range in the north separate India from Central Asia, protecting in form cold winds and also protect us from foreign invasion. Though at the same time a number of mountain passes in the northwestern Himalayas allow some invaders to cross into India. Many travelers and traders are also entered the country through these passes, bringing about an exchange of goods, idea and culture. In peninsular India in the south, the country long coastal allowed trade to flourish with far off continents like Egypt and Rome. The exchange of goods and idea as also religious and culture mores greatly led to the development of civilization and growth of towns and cities. With time they developed into large and prosperous kingdoms like the Gauls and Cheers. Many of these southern kingdoms had strong navies and colonies part of Southeast Asia and Sri Lanka. जितना लेसन मैंने पढ़ा है उतने लेसन को एक बार रीड करना है, उसके बाद दोबारा इसके रिपीटेशन के बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। थैंक यू।